The all-new Mercedes-Benz A-Class is equipped with the latest MBUX system, which acts like your own personal assistant. Using the MBUX function, you can perform a number of tasks using simple voice requests. If you want to set a navigation destination, it's as easy as saying, "Hey Mercedes," and where you want to go. "Hey Mercedes,
how can I help you?
Navigate to 44 Lexia Place, Melbourne."
I am starting route guidance to Melbourne Lecture Place 44.
You can also set a point of interest as your destination. "Hey Mercedes, navigate to the MCG."
The route to MCG Melbourne Jolimont is being calculated.
It's just as easy to change the display. "Hey Mercedes, change to 3D map view."
Displaying map in 3D.
You can also select how you want to get there via the fastest, shortest, most dynamic or most economical route. "Hey Mercedes, set fastest route."
Fastest route selected. Restart route guidance.
If your phone is paired to the vehicle, use your voice to call anyone whose name appears in your phone list. "Hey Mercedes, call Mum."
Calling Mum on the mobile phone.
Or you can directly dial a phone number simply by reading out the digits. If you're listening to the radio, tell Mercedes when you want to change the station. "Hey Mercedes, play radio station Kiss FM." Mercedes can also provide key information. You can ask for the time or date, or important details about your drive. "Hey Mercedes,
how can I help you?
What's my range?"
You can still drive 370 kilometres.
"Hey Mercedes, what's the speed limit?"
The current speed limit is 40 kilometres per hour.
Using the Mercedes-Benz MBUX system makes it easy and intuitive to interact with your vehicle. Just say, "Hey Mercedes," and follow these tips to try it out for yourself.